Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be doing a review of the Premier Protein Vanilla Protein Shake with 30 grams of protein. So I love these drinks for the convenience factor. They only have 160 calories per serving with 30 grams of protein. That's pretty good. So but one shake, 3 to 25 milliliters, there's 3 grams of fat, 4 carbohydrate with 2 fiber, 1 sugar, and 30 grams of protein. In addition, this also has a bunch of vitamins in it too, so it's kind of like taking a multivitamin. It's got ranging from like 25 to like 40% of your daily value of most of these, and then biotin, it has 250% of your daily value, so it's got a lot of good stuff in it. Milk protein concentrate's #1 protein source, calcium caseinate, whey protein concentrate. Pretty cool. I want to get into this. Again, convenience factor is the main thing here. Vanilla. Let's get into it. Tastes like a pretty generic vanilla flavor. If you ever had any other pre-mixed protein shakes before, I find a lot of the vanilla flavors end up tasting the same because, I mean, vanilla is not that difficult to replicate, and it's kind of hard to make it different from other vanillas. But there's 24 different vitamins and minerals in that. That's pretty cool. A lot of different stuff going on in here. 160 calories, 1 gram of sugar. Real good. And a good taste too. So I'm happy with it. Yeah, it tastes like a vanilla protein shake. I don't know how else to describe that because pretty much every vanilla protein shake I've had has always tasted pretty much the same. It's kind of like a French vanilla flavor. I guess that's the only real descriptive way I can describe this. But if you had a vanilla protein shake before and then you try this out, you're going to know what I'm talking about. A lot of the vanilla flavors do have a very similar taste to them. So, pretty good. I'll have one more sip and I'll give my final review. It kind of tastes like milk too, more so than the chocolate ones, because I find vanilla flavored drinks kind of resemble milk in a certain sense. But the Premier Protein Vanilla Protein Shake, I would give this on a scale of 1 to 10, an 8 out of 10. Reason I like it so much is that it's easy, convenient. You can take these with you to the gym and just have your protein right after your workout if that's how you roll. And even if you're going to work, you can throw one of these in your lunch. They kind of keep you feeling full too. It's not a meal replacement shake like some others out there, but it does have 160 calories and 24 different vitamins and minerals. So that's pretty good in all honesty. Not only that, but it tastes good. You're getting your protein in. This is an absolute win. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.